Good morning, students. Yesterday we have started this chapter perimeter and area, and also we studied this problem set 48. Then today we are going to study here this problem set 49. Problem set 49. Perimeter of this rectangle formula yesterday given 2 into in bracket L plus B. L means length and B means breadth. Then perimeter of square is equal to formula 4 into side, and perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all the three sides. And first one, see here problem set 49 in this first example. How much wire will be needed to make a rectangle 7 cm long and 4 cm wide? Here L is given 7 cm, B is also given 4 cm. Then you write here formula perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Then you put here values 2 into in bracket 7 plus 4. Then 2 into 7 plus 4 11. 11 to the 22 centimeter. Second one. If the length of rectangle is 20 meter and the width is 12 meter, what is its perimeter? This also example same. Here L is given 20 meter, B 12 meter. Then formula right here, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into in bracket L plus B. Then 2 into you put here values 20 plus 12. Then here 2 into bracket solve this 20 plus 12 here 32. Then 32 into 2, 2 the 4, 3 to the 6, 64 centimeter. Third one. Each side of a square is 9 meter long. Find its perimeter. Here side is given. Then what is the perimeter of the square? Side. Firstly you write here. Side here 9 meter. Then you write here formula perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. 4 into side. Then side here 9 meter. Means 4 into 9. 9 4 the 36 meter. Perimeter of the square is equal to here 36 meter. Then fourth one, see. Fourth one example in this practice problem set 49. If we take 4 rounds around a field that is 160 meter long and 90 meter wide, what is the distance we walk in kilometers? See here length is given 160 meter long, width also given 90 meter. Then firstly you write here perimeter of this rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to formula 2 into in bracket L plus B. Then 2 into put here values 160 plus 90. Then 2 into 6 0 9 plus 6 15 5 1 carry 250. 250 into 2 means here answer 500 meter. 500 meter. But here if we take 4 rounds around the field, this is 500 meter. 1 round distance is given right here. See this fourth one. Here perimeter of rectangle is 500 meter. But this 1 round is equal to 1 round distance 500 meter. Then 4 round round distance is equal to 500 into 4. Do here multiplication. Then 4 5 are 20 and this 2 0. This answer is in meter, 2000 meter. But here question is given, what is the distance we walk in kilometers? We walk in how many kilometer? 2 kilometer. 2000 meter means 2 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore 2000 meter is equal to 2 kilometer. Then fifth one. Fifth one, see. Sanju completes 12 rounds around a square park every day. If one side of the park is 120 meter, find out in the kilometers and meters the distance that Sanju covers daily. Here side is given 120 meter. Then you write here perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. Then here 4 into 120. 4 into 120 means answer here 12 for the 40 here, 480 meter. 480 meter. But Sanju completes here 12 rounds. One round distance is equal to 480 meter. Then 12 rounds is equal to 480 into 12. 480 into 12. You do here multiplication. Then 480 into 12 means here answer is 5760 meter. 5760 meter. But here find out in kilometers and meters the distance Sanju covers daily. Sanju covers here. Sanju covers distance. This convert into kilometer and meter means here 5 kilometer 760 meter. Answer is in kilometer meter. 5 kilometer 760 meter. Again some examples remain in this problem set 49. This remaining part tomorrow. Then in homework you complete this 5 examples in this problem set 49. First you write this one problem, afterwards below write this solution. Okay, bye and send me home.